Hello, good morning, viewers. This is Amjad here. Unfortunately, you can't see me clearly because there's dark and no light is here, and I'm so sorry for that. But it's the middle of the night, and I'm not willing to go to sleep because I went to sleep this day, so I'm somehow these days a day sleeper, and that is why I cannot go to sleep now. I'm not feeling I should go to sleep, although it's too late and no one is awake. I know all of the members of my family are sleeping. Um, all of them are really deep sleeper, but I'm not because I go to sleep at daytime as well. So now I thought I should go live on YouTube to communicate with some of the friends who are in a daylight. I mean, who are not in night at the moment. So I'm so sorry that you cannot see me clearly because the light uh, is not faster. It's not clear, and it's not in front of me. There is no light in front of my face, and that's the possible reason you can't see me clearly. I'm sure you are not unhappy with this, and this is my first time ever I'm coming live on YouTube and I'm posting this. This is my first time, but I'm not nervous because some people get nervous when they do anything at first, especially showing their face to strangers. This is really a thing which makes people nervous, but I'm not nervous. Luckily, because this is my patient that I will go live on YouTube. I wanted to go live on a Facebook as well, but I couldn't because of some reasons. And now I'm trying to do this on YouTube, and I'm happy. I'm lucky that and I'm able to do it. Okay, guys, I'm not feeling sleep, but I don't really know uh, what to talk about because this is my first time. As I told you, I'm not feeling nervous, but I'm not understanding what should I say because there is no subscribers on my channel, and I'm not sure someone is watching me now. So after communicating with more people, I will be able to talk for a long time. So that's for now. I'm sorry, and we'll come to you guys again for another discussion. So till then, goodbye. And if you are in night, then I should say good night to you.